In this video you are going to learn about how to create a custom or standard holes. So under the engineering tab you can see the hole feature. So click on the hole feature. Next you can see that the several options are located for the defining of hole. So first one is a simple hole, and next one is standard and the threaded hole, and these are all the end condition of the holes and the diameter of the hole. Here you can specify the depth commands, and let's see about that. First you have to specify the location of the hole. So under the placement, select the face that you want to make a hole, where you want to make a hole. So click on here, and these green color points are the grip points. So through these grip points you can specify the location of the hole. So I have specified the grip points to the right edge and the bottom edge. So from the right edge I am specifying 50 mm, and from the bottom edge 15 mm. And so as this is the simple hole, I can enter the manual diameter for this feature. So enter 18, and the blind command and the depth command is defaultly as blind. So I'm giving the depth of 30, and now the hole is have a flat end. We can also specify the drill end, because conventionally the drill feature or the hole feature is created through the drilling process. So many of the drill bits have the making the conical ends for the hole. So you can also see the shape of a hole under the shapes, and these are all the options to specify the countersink and counterbore commands. And you can see that the nomenclature of the hole, the diameter of the whole body, and the countersink feature, the countersink angle, and the commands, and the depth commands. And the depth is measured in two methods. The first one is from the reference to the shoulder and up to the tip. Shoulder and tip. So I'm specifying up to the shoulder as 30 mm, and the conical angle of 118 is default. So this is a manual hole, and next we are going to see about the standard hole. So click on the hole feature and select the placement. Set the face to specify the hole. Specify the hole locations. And now click on here to specify the standards. And in Creo we have two standards, ISO and ANC. And under the ISO I am selecting, so ISO is nothing but metric standards, and ENO is basically a inch, and it is, and ENO is followed basically on US, Europe and Canada. So I'm choosing M10 cross 125 1.25 that's my standard, and you can see that shape. So this is the shape for M10 cross 1.25, and M10 is a 10, and explaining this, M is a metric and 10 is the diameter of the hole, and 1.25 is the threaded portion, and you can see that the dot line indicates the threaded portion. So you can also change the blind condition. So I'm using 30, and also the depth of the thread. I'm specifying this as 25, and click the check mark to accept this. Now you can see the details about the holes. So M10 cross 1.25. 1.25 is the pitch pitch. So H is a tapping process up to the 25 mm. So this indicates the 1.25 pitch thread is have a depth up to 1.25 mm, and the body of the hole is 8.8 drill up to the 30 mm, and the end condition is a conical profile. And we can also set the custom profile for the hole. So set the hole feature, select the face to locate the hole, and this is the command to create a custom drill profile. So click here and go to the sketch, and here you have to specify the custom drill profile. So first you have to make a center profile, center line, then the cross section of the drill hole. So for example, I am specifying as like this. So specify your dimensions, and the end condition, I am using the flat end condition. So profile must be a closed loop, and the center line is very important because the hole is a revolving cut feature. And click check mark to accept this. You can see that the drill is created based on the sketched profile. Click the check mark to accept this. Thank you for watching.